Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and today we're talking a little something different. We're taking a break from talking about 3D printers and or any cubic and all of that, and we're moving on to something else that we love in this household, and that is trains. We are of the S scale gauge here, American Flyer, high rail trains. Like many other people out there, we found these trains in our grandparents' parents' basement, and we wanted to bring them back to life. So here in front of you, you have your typical American Flyer turnout and control switch. When lit up, these things get incredibly hot. Actually, I'll put up a picture over here of a flare thermal camera showing you the temperature. Ouchie ouchie when you touch them. And well, that wasn't going to work with a young kid in the house. So using my 3D printers, I did something a little bit different. I have decided to update these. Well, let me get this out of the way. Put that over here. The first thing I did was I went on eBay and I ordered these LED bulbs. The problem was when you put these LED bulbs in the switch, they are like beacons of light that hurt your eyes to look at. Well, that wasn't going to work. So I got thinking, what am I going to do? Well, what I did was bring in my updated switch. I bought LED bulbs that I put in. I got frosted clear ones that I frosted, all test versions on this. And then I 3D printed a cap with some clear filament so that it would give off a hue of color. So let me get this, give me 1 second. All right, I just went and hooked everything up. All right, so what we have here is our American Flyer switch, and when we turn it on now, we don't have those giant beacons of light coming out. That's hard to see because it's in the dark. Can I turn that down? No. Anyway, so it gives off a nice little glow. We go to the red, and the same thing. So now these don't get hot at all. They can sit like that and all good. The other thing we did was we printed some tops to these that just slide over, friction fit, and allows us to switch nice and easy back and forth. We didn't stop there. The next thing we did was moving over to this switch. I 3D printed some lights because the colored tape was gone. And I wanted the red and the green as we made the switch, so we knew which direction it was on. So I 3D printed those lights and threw them in there. And using the original, when you turn it on, looks great. See if I can turn this for you. Now you can see the red light coming out. Turn it to green. Turn it to green. Did I turn it to green? Oh, you know why? My fault. I don't have it hooked up over here. Scared me there for a second. Switch it this way, and then you can see the green and the red. Well, you know what? Again, didn't stop there. The next thing I did, because I put an LED light in here, because these were getting really hot too. But what happens is, you get a beacon of light coming out on the ceiling. So, upgrade number 2 or 3 or wherever we're at, 4. I 3D printed these little, in quotes, transparent bulbs that go in top and on the side. Problem is, all of these American Flyer tops, they're not all uniform, so I would love a tight friction fit. Unfortunately, at least it's just the top. This one is a little loose in order to fit in all of the switches, but these are tight, got them pretty good. But now, if I turn off the light, it's not going to work because it doesn't give off this huge glow. Let me see if I take this off. There we go. Show you a little bit better there. You can see that it looks good on the side. You can see the red or the green as it comes through. Light green, red. It looks a lot better in person. It gives off a nice gentle green, opaque look. Let's see if I can turn this down. That's better, and that way it's not. There's green, there's red. So all over the layout, we have these nice turnouts now that we can tell from afar without having to go to the side to look in this way or that way. They give off a nice little glow. So that is our updated switch for and turnout for American Flyer. If you are actually interested, I think I'm gonna put some kits together to sell these, and feel free to reach out and we'll try and make something work. So thank you very much. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Maybe you like some of my other content. That would be great too. Have a great day and go run some trains. It's relaxing.